I've created this link tree so you guys know where to go. If you want to support me as a creator and send in tips and a thank you message, you can do so through the support me section. If you want to private message me about the course or the mentorship, it's through the Twitter section. Thank you guys. Wow, incredible. I saw some people in some different Telegram groups asking why did Bepro pump? And I saw someone say because Louis Crypto made a video on it. Well, I don't know if I have those powers as of yet. But if so, wow, we pumped it. But I really doubt it was anything to do with us, guys. Come on, let's not be silly. I've got no power like that. I've had people in the past commenting saying, "Oh, you move the markets." Please, guys, I don't have any power. I'm just a little YouTuber. It's funny. There's people thinking like that. But anyways, what we saw yesterday is we were calling for a pump towards this area. Now, of course, I didn't expect it to happen directly after the video, but we pumped over 90% in one day. Yes, this is the weekly time frame, but we're 2 days into the week. Okay, so today has been the dump. So in yesterday's candle, wow, absolutely phenomenal. 71% since the open of that candle. To the close. But of course we did go a little bit higher. But yeah, on the daily time frame, we see that we are above the 200 daily EMAs, and the last time we did that was a very brief moment. Another time is where, of course, we had just gone from bull market and had this 2021 summer dip. And yes, Bepro did actually go under the 200, but once reclaiming it, found a pivot point, and we tried to break the highs, but failing in doing so. Now we've been trapped in this downtrend for so long. All we need to do is hold this as support for the continuation upwards towards the all-time highs. Now, from the video I made yesterday, it was a 25x to the all-time highs. But very quickly, look, now you can't get a 25x. Now it's looking like at the moment maximum a 20x just to the all-time high. When I said maximum, I'm talking about a maximum of 20x to the all-time high, not beyond it. We are going far, far, far beyond the all-time high. We're going to do many multiples once we are past the all-time high. So just make sure you're accumulating your Bepro under the halfway point. So what we can do is draw the golden pocket here. There you go. So as long as we're claiming our Bepro tokens below this green box, and let's make it gold, this is going to be exceptional generational wealth buys, right? Even above this, it's still incredible buys. And anywhere between here and the 1 fib level is still incredible buys, guys. But even better below it. So back up here at when Bepro is at 4 cents, I will still be buying just as much as I'm buying right now. I want you guys to understand that it's completely fine in doing so, because as long as you're below the all-time high, it's a great buy. And so anything past the all-time high, this is where it can get a little bit risky. What I would say is, let's focus on the Bitcoin chart. When Bitcoin reaches 70,000, Bepro could already be here at 15, 30 cent, right? When Bitcoin gets back to 70,000. So whenever Bitcoin's price is at 70,000, that's when I will stop buying into Bepro. Now, Bepro could be at new all-time highs. I'm not too fussed about that. Yes, it will already be from here to there, a 20x. And if I'm buying up here, I've missed a 20x. But simply, even if you just buy and you've missed out, let's say you missed out this whole move from there to there, look, 77x, stupid from the bottom. Let's say we just missed out that whole move. It doesn't matter, because there's still money to be made. As long as we break the all-time high, look at where our first target is. Still a 2.5x, guys. So you'll still be, of course, doing 2 times, of course, your money. So completely fine to buy beyond the all-time high, as long as Bitcoin is below 70,000. When Bitcoin's beyond 70,000, let's look at the Bitcoin 20,000 top over here. You see how one day we returned to this high? So all these buys over here are all in minus. That's why I'm telling you guys that we want to draw the golden pocket like this. There you go. You want to do most of your buying. You want to do all your buying, or most of it, 80% of your buying, whatever it is, under 20k, in this case 70k. And so we want to, make the most out of price being under the golden pocket, because, if this is the bottom, we're coming back to the golden pocket. and then it can decide if we're going lower than 3,000. But then it put in that higher low. So it's the same situation here. If this is our bottom, from the high to the low, we should be running back into 32,000, 38,000, as we can see here, actually overshooting it to 50,000. So that's why I've made a video in the past on Bitcoin for 50,000. But yeah, I know this is not a Bitcoin video, don't you guys worry. But yeah, we can see once we are above the golden pocket, we head to the highs. Once we're above the highs, yes, we're going to continue. We'll still make many gains. Look, just to their 66, just to their 100, just to their 200, and we met all of them. But again, equally, would have all been invalidated. Do you understand that? But none of these buys underneath the all-time high are invalidated, because right now, currently, we are above it. We're at 24,500. So yeah, that was just a little bit on Bitcoin. Going back to Bepro, it's essentially the same thing, guys. Come on. As long as we're below this midpoint and underneath the all-time high, which is the 1 fib level, this is an incredible buy. Now, yes, of course, already in one day, price is back down 30%. This is just the reality after pumping up so much in a single day. So although it might be like, oh, I don't really want to buy right now because it's just pumped so much. What if this just keeps going and going and going? I'm going to make you look at this coin over here. It just kept going and going and going and going, almost back at its all-time highs over here already. And what people been saying over here, I'm going to wait for a pullback. They're going to say, that's just not even a pullback. I'm not buying. Then it goes up. Okay, look, we got a wick. I'm going to wait for this pullback now. I'm going to buy when it pulls back. It doesn't pull back. Another 62% up. So you would have wanted to do that here. Well, it just pumped 53% and you waited for a pullback. And then it pumped another 63%. And you, oh, look, we're at the 55. So we're going to pull back. I'm going to wait for the pullback. I'm going to buy off the 12 and the 20. And then it goes up another 17%. And then it hits the 69 moving average. You're like, oh, this is the pullback. And then it goes up another 8%. And you said, oh, yeah, we're still under the 69, so it's going to pull back. And then it goes up another 55%. So you see where I'm getting at, guys. Do you see what I'm getting at? So really and truly, this is why I'm telling you, just as long as it's below that, it's a great buy. You know, if you're buying here, 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 or even down here, or even over there, you're not buying to make instant gains, instant gratification. We're buying for when we are actually above this. That's when we're going to take profits. So we do that for Bepro. Although, yes, it's pumped so much. Oh, I'm scared now. It's pumped so much. It looks, oh, big wick. It's going to dump. It's going to dump. We just saw that other chart completely burst through that like it was absolutely nothing. And beyond this, like it was absolutely nothing. So that's why just doesn't matter that we dumped 30% today and we went up 70 yesterday. Just as long as it's below the all-time high, it's a great buy. Even better below this, which it is. So Bepro is a great buy. You can get it over on KuCoin. Don't know where else, but yeah. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Please do like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to take action on the course, be part of my chat, or take action on the 10-hour-long mentorship course, which is one-to-one work with me. With that, you get the chat included for free until my bull market targets. Because once we hit the bull market targets, we'd be selling. So why would we have the chat? And then also, you'd get a 6-hour-long course with 30 plus videos in. The course is now permanently down to £150. I've slashed it 50% forever now, forever £150, simply because I'm going to be making a new one. Now, if you want the mentorship, this course discount is included in the mentorship. So the mentorship and the course is now permanently discounted. And then, yeah, when I bring out this new course, I'm still going to have the old course. I could maybe even discount it a little bit more. But guys, I haven't even started the new course. The last one took me a whole year to make. So grab this while it's discounted. Thank you, guys. And message me over on LouisVibes_. That is my new crypto Twitter. Unfortunately, I lost the old one. We haven't even hit 200 followers yet. So help me reach that. And of course, yeah, that's where you want to private message me. It's linked underneath this video. It'll be pinned in the comment section. So you just hit that link and private message me and we'll get you started today. Look, guys, 2 cryptos that I mentioned one day ago, which was this in the chat, as well as another coin that I have not mentioned on YouTube. They're both up 100% in less than 4 days. This one being 100% up in less than a day as well yesterday. Thank you, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.